Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can update your profile on Rumble website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has the option for the my content, my channel. So simply we have to go to the account option. So let's click on the account options. And after clicking on the account option, as you can see, has the account information. The name is written here and the address is also mentioned here. If you want to edit or update it, you can also do that. The phone number is also provided here. If you want to change this or if you want to add the phone number, you can also add that. The payment method is also provided here, which is PayPal, and the email ID is also, username is also provided here. The email is also provided here. You can edit it or delete it. You can also change this one. So password option is also here. You can also change this, and some other privacy options are also provided here. If you want to make changes in them, you can also do that. Upload a photo. If you want to upload your profile picture, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this, and now I'm going to the document section, and now I'm going to choose a profile picture for uploading on it. I'm going to select this one. So as you can see, now let's click on this, and this will be your profile picture. So in this way you can update your information on your Rumble profile. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.